All right, so what's up, guys? Here we are. We're on the homepage of Amazon, and what we're basically going to be doing is looking at products and comparing the estimated revenue with Jungle Scout, the Chrome extension, and a free Chrome extension called Amazon Count for Amazon sellers. I'll leave that in the description, so you can download it on the Chrome store if it's good or not. I haven't looked at it yet. So we're gonna go and just type in a random product like this apron. By the way, this is competitive. Don't try to sell aprons. This is just for example purposes to test how good this extension is. Okay, so first things first, we're going to open up the Jungle Scout. And this first four ones here, you can see these are sponsored. So we're going to actually delete these ones because these don't count. Okay, I'm trying to hurry up, trying to do this faster. Oh, every time. Wait for the little X. Okay, so the first natural one that pops up is Synthes 2-pack. So we're going to leave that there, and we're going to pop open this other extension tool. And this, oh snap, I didn't mean to do that. Great. Now I got to do this again real quick. Okay, there we go. Okay, now the first, I just seen that it doesn't pop up. It doesn't show the sponsored products, so that's good. So we're going to compare this first one, the Synthes 2-pack. Now the price is obviously going to be the same because it just pulls that data straight from the listing itself. The average sales rank for this search keyword is 52,000, and on here it says the average selling rank is 108. The average price, okay, now the price is, well, I mean, $20. It's around there. You know, that's not that surprising either because it just pulls the data, you know, the numbers and calculation and everything. Okay, so what we want to look at, that's major differences. So price is the same. This one says margin impact, so like 53%. This one has, okay, the estimated sales on the free extension is 2,000, around 2,000. The estimated sales on Jungle Scout for this product is 3,000. So that's $1,000 difference nearly. Now the revenue on the free one is, the estimation is 20,000, and the estimation on Jungle Scout is 30,000. Wow, that's a really big difference. You know, that's a deal breaker right there, guys. I mean, let's say you were using this free one, and simply I trust Jungle Scout a lot more simply because I used it in the past and it helped me find, you know, great products that are still successful to this day. And you know, I've never tried this free one, but you know, $10,000 difference is a deal breaker, because what if you were using this free one and you seen that a product was on here, it said it was estimation to make around 4,000 a month, but you didn't have Jungle Scout, and on Jungle Scout it said it was making like 17,000 a month. Now that is you know, that's a loss of money right there. And let's say nobody else was even looking at that product, and now you just missed out. So that first one is, we're gonna look at some other ones just to see, you know, if they're, you know, anything like ballpark ranges with the estimation. Okay, so the second one, this Homewee, on here the estimation is 11,000. On Jungle Scout it's 17,000. So that's a 6,000 difference, around the 6,000. The third one, this DI cotton, whatever. On here it says 1,000, and on Jungle Scout it says 4,000. Okay. So the first two, they're low. Yeah. Okay, so far these numbers are, you know, not that really close. So we're gonna try to look another one, professional bib, 6,000, 8,000. So on this free one it says 6,000, on here it says 8,000. Okay, now they're a little closer. We're gonna look at some other products. The reason I'm looking at highly competitive products is because they have big numbers, and I just want to test, you know, test how good they actually estimate. So we're gonna do another competitive one, grill gloves. Okay, so we're gonna pop this open, and we're wait for that to load, and we're gonna pop open the free one. Wait for this to load. I'm also gonna delete these first two sponsored ones. Okay, so the first natural one that pops up for both is Eagle Grips. The price is obviously going to be the same. This one has an FBA fuse though, that's pretty cool. But I don't know how accurate that is, you know, based off all the other information that it has. Okay, so the estimated sales on this one is 500. The estimated sales on Jungle Scout is 700, around 700. So 200 reviews different. I mean, not reviews, sales. I'm sorry. So the estimated revenue on here is 11,000, and the estimated revenue on Jungle Scout is 17. Now let's look at the second one. The 3 times number set. Okay, on here it's 13,000, and on Jungle Scout it's 20,000. Yeah, these numbers are really way off. These are really deal-breaking numbers here that can if you were to use this free one, you're missing on potentially great products if you found a great product and you weren't using Jungle Scout. Simply, I'm being biased toward Jungle Scout because I use it to find me a whole bunch of successful products, and I've never personally used this free one. So based off the past with Jungle Scout, it's a lot more trustworthy than this free one. So I wouldn't recommend it. So based off what I just seen right now, so I'm gonna go in a little more in depth just to see. Okay, so now the next one is going to be, let's look at the next two. So 22, 17. Yeah, these prices, they're really way off. Let's look at another category just to be safe. I mean, not to be safe, just just for another example. Let's look up just something random. Container. Yeah, containers. Okay, containers. So let's see on here. Jungle Scout. Delete these first. Every time I try to click that X. Okay. And then the free one. So the first one again. Okay, yes. Oh man. On Jungle Scout, this first one here, it says the estimation is 210,000. And on this free one, the estimation is 127,000. Wow. And look at the second one, the Rubbermaid. On this free one here, it says the estimation is 168,000. On Jungle Scout, the estimation is 387,000. Now these numbers are way different. They're not even close to each other anymore. This third one, I mean, I seen they're close. This Melitu is on this free one, it's 2,000, 2,200, and on Jungle Scout it's 3,200. Okay, now that's $1,000 difference. So that's not that bad as the other ones that are literally hundreds of thousands different. So let's look at the next one. Meal prep. On here it's 104. On Jungle Scout it's 169. Yeah, this one so far is not very reliable based off of what I'm looking at on Jungle Scout. And so if you were to use this free one, be aware that it is way off with the estimation of revenue compared to Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout is a lot more reliable based off the past that I've used it. It helped me find a lot of successful products. I thought I'd just show you guys, in case any of you guys use this this tool called Amazon Scout. Now, no, I'm not trying to be dissing them or anything. I'm just simply trying to help you guys out just in case you do use this one because it's free and everything. I mean, it looks great and everything, but as far as the revenue, the estimation, a lot of them are way off as comparing it to Jungle Scout, which is can be costly to you, and not costly really, just can help you. Not help you. It can make you miss a great opportunity for a great product. Because what if you were using this free one and you found a good category to sell in, and you looked on the free one and it was said it was only making like $2,000 a month, but on Jungle Scout it said it was making like 15. So that's a big difference here. So honestly, what I would recommend you do, just don't use this one, and spending the $100 just to get Jungle Scout, guys, because based off of this, it's not that not that accurate compared to Jungle Scout. I guess the only thing that you can benefit by using this free one is all the numbers are lower than what they are on Jungle Scout. So if you had no option other than to use this free one, that know that the prices that you see on here, like this first one, 120, they're going to be higher on Jungle Scout, even like this 2,000, 3,000. So majority of them on the free one are lower than the ones on Jungle Scout. So I guess that's the only thing that you can use if you have no other option other than to use the free one. But it's really not that good. No offense to them, but I mean, comparing to Jungle Scout, the numbers are just really off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I just want to help a couple of you guys out. that if you were using this one, to let you know that, you know, the numbers and estimations on revenue, you know, aren't around the same ballpark when comparing these two to each other. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe. I'll be making videos every single day. So please stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys have a great week.